Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guide channel. It is a video about how to build discount calculator. Discount calculator will apply different discount strategies to the products. On the first step, we need to define class product. This class has init method that takes self, name and price. Name and price parameters should be assigned to the attributes with the same name. On the step 2, we need to add code hints for our parameters name and price. The main purpose of them is to help order to understand what types are expected. Some code editors are set it up to provide better type completion, and they're helping to catch mistakes before we run the code. And one more thing about type hints, they're optional. It means that Python itself will run perfectly well with them or without. On step 3, we need to convert default object representation to the readable string. Each object has a double string method by default. By defining this method inside our object, we can rewrite this method and make it return the string we want. Use fstring to return self-name $, self-price. On step 4, we need to add hint for init function that it is returning non-type. Step 5, add type hint for string function that it is returning the string type. On step 6, we are trying to use our class product for the first time. First of all, we are creating instance of product, and then we are printing product to the console. Step 7, from ABC model, import ABC class and abstract method decorator. Step 8, create discount strategy class. This class is supposed to inherit from ABC abstract base class. Step 9, create abstract method with abstract method decorator. This method will accept product type product, user tier, type string. Step 10, the method should return Boolean type. Step 11, create second abstract method, apply discount, that will take product type product and return float. Step 12, we finished developing discount strategy abstract class. The next step is creating percentage discount class that will be inherited from discount strategy. In the body of this class, put init method that accepts self and percent, type int, and return none. Store percent as an instance attribute. Step 13, our percentage discount class have to have is applicable method. It will take product, user tier, and return Boolean. As you know, our comparison operators like more or less or equal return Boolean values. In our case, the logic is very simple. Return true if self% is less or equal 70. Step 14. Create apply discount method and copy-paste the existing formula. Step 15, create a variable discount, assign it to percentage discount with a value of 10, and then print the result of apply discount method. Step 16, we need to create a new class fixed amount discount that will be inherited from discount strategy. This class will have a init method that accepts self amount as an integer and return none. Self amount should be equal amount. Step 17, fixed amount discount class should to have is applicable method. It will take self product user tier and return product price multiplying by 0.9 is more than self amount. Step 18. Apply amount discount method will return product price minus self amount. Step 19. Define fixed discount variable and assign it to the fixed amount discount with value of 5. Then print fixed amount discount, apply discount product. Step 20. Create another class, premium user discount, that will be inherited from discount strategy and put pass in the body of the class. Step 20 is applicable method will work if user tiers lowercase will return premium. Step 22, apply discount method will return product price multiplying by 0.8. Step 23, create discount engine class and define init method. The method will accept self and strategies. Strategies, it is a list populated with discount strategy instances. Inside the init method we store strategies as an instance attribute. Step 24. Inside discount engine class, create calculate best price method. This method will accept self, product, user tiers and return float. In the body of the method put pass. Step 25. Remove pass and put prices variable that will consist list. The first item for this list is supposed to be a product price. This way we are making sure that if no discount applied, the customer pays full price. Step 26. Here we need to create for loop for strategies in self strategies. For the condition if strategies is applicable, we need to pass product in user tier, create discounted variable and assign it to the strategy, apply discount, pass product as a parameter, then append discounted inside the prices list. Step 27. Apply the min function. The min function accepts the list with integer or float values and choose the minimum value. Step 28. Delete all the print functions and also discount and fix discount variables. Step 29. Here we are testing whole discount system. Every Python file has a special built-in variable called __name__. Our file has a main name file. Basically, we're asking if the main file had been executed. If it is, then run the logic. Inside the if statement, move product instance, create user tier variable with value premium, define strategies list and put percentage discount 10 and fixed amount discount 5, announce a premium user discount. Step 30, we are continue testing our discount functionality. Define engine variable and assign it to discount engine and put strategies as a parameter. Also define best prices variable, assign it to the engine, calculate best price, pass product and user tier variables. Step 31, it's a final step. Now we need to add print statement. Inside the print statement, put best prices for product name, for user tier, user, semicolon, space, $, best price, shortened by 2 digits after dot. Our workshop is done. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.